This is your presenter Mohammad Sadiq from iccc.com.co. In this video you will see how a team is registered or enrolled to ICCCC. Launch the site www.iccc.com.co or iccc.com.co. Before you click this link to register, let me tell you that any team, coach, manager or even team players are allowed to register their team to ICCCC. Being a register, you need to click non-registered teams, team players and guest. These are the options under for a guest. So to register, you need to click register your team. So these are the details information that is getting captured. The topmost portion is the location of a team, like country, city, state or the city, district, city. Bottommost portion basically it is about the team's detail, like the team name, the contacting person and so on. Between the yellow, what you see are the examples. These are the examples. The cricketers from these nations, when they selected these details, this is what they have to select, whichever is applicable. Like some country like India, they have states, district, and within district they have city. Similarly, like Netherlands or Europe, they have they have a province and a city. So let me show you in another graph. So under ICC, this is the hierarchy, which is from top to bottom. The country, you need to select the country, and if applicable, state, province, territories. Then further, if this is applicable, district or suburb, or then finally city and state and town. So within the city or the districts, in case some place where district is there, so all the teams under that district can play with each other, and across the districts or across the state there is a separate procedure. You will find my other videos very soon, how teams can play across city or across state. So let me show you this example. Let's say I'm from Vijayawada, so our country will be India, and then the state I have to select Andhra Pradesh, and the district, say Krishna. Under Krishna, city, once in the city, or you have provision to type. See, as I start typing, the city is enlisted. All I need to do is select that city. In case the city, say for example my village, it is not enlisted, I have provision as a city or village to introduce into ICC. So I will type directly my city, Nibanapudi. So this city, once you register, this city will be introduced to ICC. So all the city, village, town under this district are allowed to play with each other. They are allowed to play cricket with each other. So in case the state is not enlisted, so any of the country, if the state or province or territory is not enlisted, all they need to do is they have to select others. So let me give you another example. Say let us take Australia. So under Australia, so this is the hierarchy we have to follow. The territory is say Victoria. So under Victoria, these are the suburbs. So Melbourne city. Under Melbourne, these are the streets that they have. So that way the team has to proceed. So at present, right now, say I am here. I am here in Saudi Arabia. So in this I don't have nothing. In case I prefer to introduce as a province, I can go click other and introduce directly. I type here. So as I'm not going to do that, so I'll leave this blank. You have only two provisions: either you can keep this blank, or you can select other to introduce, or take the appropriate pick the appropriate state, province or district, whatever is applicable for you. So let us proceed. So in our case it is blank. As this is not changed, what I need to do is I have to switch this district so that the cities are enlisted. Okay, I can say, as I'm not going to introduce it, I will proceed with what I have. So I'm here in Riyadh. I'll select Riyadh, then I'll go and introduce our team's name, Sunrise Cricket Club. Short name is nothing but the nickname, the way they are recognized or among within the teams, across the teams. So it is recognized as Sunrise CC. Then the contacting person, so that other teams can communicate and schedule the matches. So our contacting person is Muhammad Ilyas. He's our captain. So you need to select whatever is applicable to that person. Address, the team's address. So I will include, because this is mandatory. And the country of the team. So ours is India. You have other countries. You need to select appropriate country. This address too is also mandatory. I will say Malas area. Email. This is very important. Important part of the registration, because the login credentials are sent to this ID. So it's better to confirm at least twice before you register. This is optional, the address, then contact person, number. So right now I'll enter some number. Later on, once it's registered, team's captain, he can go and change to the appropriate one. The cricket type basically is two type, leather and rubber. So in our case this Sunrise plays rubber ball, so I include that one. Teams category, this is very important. So let me show you in another graph here. Under ICCCC, this basically is of two types, non-ranked and ranked. Under non-ranked, you have school, junior colleges. Some places it is called 10+2. These are non-professional, and their ranking is not done, but still their information is the career is captured in ICCC. Under ranking system, you have the league teams, the company teams like Wipro or even Bajaj team. They can enroll as a professional, as being a part of professionals. They can include the team in the ranking. Similarly, the college and degree college and the professional college, even the universities are included in the ranking. So basically you have two categories, non-professional and professional. So each category is allowed to play leather and rubber ball, whereas in ranking, a separate ranking is done for leather as well as, and separate ranking is done similarly for the rubber. So here the information like leather and rubber, they are captured separately for non-ranking, but their career in their career cricketing is captured under non-ranking for the non-professional, which is school and junior colleges. These are the basically two categories, professional and non-professional. So in our case, ours is professional, so I'll say professional. Then we'll proceed here. The contacting person who is enrolling, so it is myself. It says rating, whether still system is asking you a provision whether you want to rate yourself that or you want to exclude. Like, some teams, they want to spend time. What they can do is, and they don't want to be rated, they can select as no, but in our case we'll say yes. And this is description on team, so you can just highlight or elaborate on your team. Teams have to come on time. And finally, it's like the captcha to indicate that you are human. That's it. We haven't given all the details, and click register your team. So that way system will generate a unique number. It is unlike your passport, which is basically specific to a country, but this registration team's number is distinct across all countries throughout the country. So a team will get a distinct number, and which is dedicated, and which is the property of the team itself. Thank you for watching this video. So you will find other modules of my videos separately. Goodbye.